welcome back to our channel, The Adorables. So we are back again with yet another trip, and this time we are going for again a day trip, and we are going to Mandaragiri Hills.
Yes, so Mandaragiri Hills is around 83 kilometers. So तुमकुर से थोड़ा आगे पड़ता है, लगभग डाबोस्पेट से we have to take a right. So it's a nice serene place. I think hang out कर सकते हैं, पिकनिक कर सकते हैं. So let's go and show it to you all how it looks.
तो अभी फिलहाल हम लोग जा रहे हैं अभी देवाशीष और रश्मिता को पिक करने.
रश्मिता's house.
तो उनको पिक करके फिर वहाँ से निकलते हैं. चलो फिर. तो टाइम हो रहा है बाय द वे 10:30. तो हुआ यूँ कि हम लोग चले गए थे थोड़ा दूर, फिर उसके बाद मुझे याद आया कि हम लोग पेपर प्लेट्स लेना भूल गए. वो घर में ही रखा हुआ है, मतलब मैंने रेडी करके रख दिया था. तो फिर से अभी अंदर आए हम लोग और रोनी अभी गया है वो लाने, तो इट्स कॉजिंग लिटिल बिट डिले. So finally we picked Devashish, Rashmita and Titir. So time is 12:30 and finally we are starting from their home, and the distance from here is 72 kilometer which is showing, and as per Google map the ETA is 2:43.
Too much of time. Let's see what time we reach.
Yeah.
So our team is back again.
Yes. Okay. Let's start.
So as you can see, too much traffic jam just in Hebbal, because I think the Hebbal flyover is now closed for construction work. So if you have to cross towards that side of Tumkur Road, Tumkur Road side Ring Road, so you have to take the service road and then go via the down road only. So too much of traffic, showing plus 6 minutes.
So finally we were able to leave Bangalore. Time is almost 2. Okay, so the distance is showing still 43 kilometer. I want to tell about the traffic.
Yeah, it was too bad. Actually, Hebbal mein that one of the flyover is closed. So construction work, as I told, it's going on. So pura jam, full jam. So we took almost 1.5 hours to reach around 30 kilometers. So now we have come to Tumkur Road. Another 49 minutes it's showing for a 43 kilometer. Let's see.
तो हम लोगों ने जाते जाते एक छोटा सा ब्रेक लिया है, मतलब 5 मिनट का. तो कुछ देवाशीष कुछ खरीद के लाया, तो ये है हमारा मूरी.
Mind blowing things he has got it.
सबका टेस्ट अच्छा. और ये है मुरुक्कू, और ये हाथ में दिखा दो, ये क्या है? यूनिबेक का है, कुछ चिप्स है, पर वो नॉन फ्राइड है, फ्राइड नहीं है. ओके, पॉप्ड चिप्स है.
Something called as popped.
उसका भी टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है. और पीछे तितिर के हाथ में भी डिफरेंट फ्लेवर का कुछ है ना चीज चिप्स. अब वो है क्रीम एंड ऑनियन है, वो यूनिबेक का पता नहीं था कि उन लोग का चिप्स भी है.
Very nice taste.
और ये मैंने जो बोला, तो टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है. थैंक यू देवाशीष फॉर ब्रिंगिंग सच नाइस फूड आइटम्स. और ये माजा भी है बाय द वे,
बच्चों के लिए.
बच्चों के लिए.
प्रियंका एक बच्ची है, तो इट्स फॉर प्रियंका.
चलो फिर हम लोग एंजॉय करते हैं.
So here we have taken a right from Tumkur Road. So it is showing another 2.2 kilometers from here, and so as you can see, it's a little narrow road. So I think everybody is taking a U-turn. Why, I don't know. So as soon as you take the right, this is the road. Not in that great shape, probably because of the monsoons also. It's bumpy with potholes, broken road. Let's see, I think it's only another 1.9 kilometers. So I guess कि ऐसे ही मिलेगा रोड बाकी. तो we have reached Mangalagiri now. As you can see, I think यहाँ पे we have to give tickets. As you can see.
So time is 2:56 when we reached. और ये दूर से this is the view from here.
This is basically that entry of that.
Yeah, so this is the entry of the Jain temple.
Yeah, so we will go up and we'll go to that temple at the top. I think there is a new road that has got constructed now. Sorry, in excitement I told Mangalagiri. This is actually Mandaragiri.
So if you want to go by these stairs, actually there are 450 stairs and you can just walk and go at the top of it.
Yes.
But there is a road also which is being constructed if you want to go by car, and we are going to take this route only.
Yes.
And this is the
road is nice,
road
pretty
is
nice, pretty wide, concretized road, and you can go easily up. Nicely laid. Let's see how much time it takes.
And while going, we saw this Maidala Lake, and this is looking absolutely stunning if you see the view from here.
Actually stunning.
वाओ, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. यहाँ पे वैसे भी हम लोग नीचे जाएंगे लेक पे वापस आते वक्त. अभी फिलहाल वहाँ पे चलते हैं. We'll just go there. तो the road is little steep, I guess, but ठीक है. It's okay. And this is a parking.
Huge space actually.
Huge space is there for parking.
So this is the temple at the top of Mandaragiri Hills, and Priyanka is ready to go to the temple.
Yeah.
You have to open our shoes is what, huh?
I don't know. I'm just trying to see everyone's fit.
I think people are wearing it. Let's go ahead. I think समझ में आ जाएगा. So how are you
We have
feeling?
to go inside the temple. I think that time we have to. Feeling आ यार.
हाँ बहुत हवा है. Lots of air.
कभी आए नहीं यहाँ पे.
हाँ, it's a nice
But
place.
it's a nice place actually.
You can see the
view
surroundings.
is also looking very
Yeah.
good. View is also good.
Beautiful place. Lots of breeze you can see.
और actually लोग वहाँ पे पिकनिक भी बना रहे हैं.
हाँ.
वहाँ पे खाना वाना लाके वहाँ पे बैठ
देखो वहाँ पे you can see people are playing cricket, football and all. Yes, bat in hand. Nice place to hang out for a day, huh?
Yeah, it's really very good actually.
Chalo, let's go.
Something is there.
Ah,
Like,
yes.
we can show that. What is that?
Let's see, let's explore. We also don't know.
Yeah.
One by one.
So here is the road which has come, and you can park the cars here. As you can see, it's a car, and from here you have to just climb a little and go to the temple. And what is Didi doing? Sitting on the football. So let them enjoy football. Let's go.
A lot of place by the way.
Yeah, actually there are a lot of place. You see there's a nice lake over there also.
Yeah, small pond kind.
Ah, it's a pond actually, yeah. Nice one. So as you go, you have to enter like this from the gate. There's one more nice pond. Wow, very nice. It's a beautiful landscape. Nice place. Chalo, let's go now. काफी steep है actually. Senior citizens will face difficulty. Like Devashish, senior most citizen in our group. So this is the view of the lake. Awesome it's looking actually. Superb. So as you can see, I think we have to open our shoes, huh? That's what Priyanka was saying. Yes, please leave your footwear outside. So as you can see, there are certain rules. Skirts, Bermuda, nightie, block clothes are not allowed, as you can see. So here you have to keep your shoes, and there you have to go inside.
तो ये हम अंदर आ गए हैं एंड यू कैन सी दिस फेमस ट्री एंड द आइकॉनिक भगवान महावीर जैन का जो स्टैचू है. तो 4 स्टैचू है एक्चुअली आई थिंक. और ये जो सब है भक्त लोग कलरफुल जो स्टैचू बनाए गए हैं, दे आर ऑल लिसनिंग टू हिम एंड सीकिंग ब्लेसिंग्स फ्रॉम हिम. तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है एक्चुअली. मतलब एकदम एक्चुअली रियल लग रहा है. ये ट्री भी रियल लग रहा है. और ये देखो यहाँ से जो व्यू है दैट इज़ जस्ट लुकिंग ऑसम. और यहाँ से आपको ये पूरा ग्रीन ग्रीन दिख रहा है और यहाँ पे एक छोटा सा लेक काइंड ऑफ है. वो भी अच्छा लग रहा है। और ये जो दूर दिख रहा है ये है पीकॉक टेम्पल, तो जो फेमस पीकॉक टेम्पल। ये है लेक का व्यू इस साइड से, जो बहुत और बहुत अच्छी हवा भी चल रही है एक्चुअली यहाँ पे, तो मौसम भी अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा व्यू। और ये जो मैंने दिखाया,
Even bubbles are coming.
who is coming?
Bubbles.
Bubbles are coming. And this is also the view from this side which I showed from the other side, right? तो देख लो एनिमल्स, ये सब चीज़ का स्ट्रक्चर बनाया गया है। अच्छी है actually।
तो ये बिहाइंड द सीन्स चल रहा है। सो टच अप गोइंग ऑन विथ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट मेकअप आर्टिस्ट अवेलेबल इन बैंगलोर, रश्मिता, एंड हियर कम्स द मैन विथ हिज मशीन। यो yes, thank you. So as you have seen why we have come here basically, so there is a shoot that will be there for Priyanka in different designer dresses, so that's why we have Mr. Devashish, whom you all know. He's a famous photographer of Bangalore, and here is Priyanka, apna model. As you can see, for one photo shoot how much of effort goes in the background. See, the youngest member of this trip, he is also doing his own part. Wow. Ready? Titir, you're liking the job?
Yes.
Great. There's the shoot going on. So this is one of the most beautiful spot of this location, which oversees the entire Maidala lake. You can see how beautiful it is looking. बहुत हवा चल रही है, lots of breeze. If I do a
एक्चुअली काफ़ी सीनिक है। And what Titir is doing? What is this, Titir?
Floating plate.
Floating plate. Oh, you are not touching it. Wow.
How did
Show me. How did you do this?
By the air.
और ये हमारा यहाँ पे पिकनिक चल रहा है, ये व्यू देखते देखते। तो चलो दिखाते क्या है हमारे पास।
awesome view with awesome food.
And rainbow is going to come.
Is it? Okay. ये है पराठा, आलू की सब्जी और हमारे पास गुलाब जामुन भी है। अभी तक खोला नहीं गया पैकेट, और हमारे पास माजा भी है। कैसे लग रहा है रोनी?
बहुत बढ़िया. This is a nice
Oh,
place.
and it's raining also.
It's raining also now.
Rainbow is going to come and
How are you feeling?
Mind blowing.
Mind blowing. Titir?
No.
Titir? You want to say anything about your experience? Nice. Rashmita is busy in serving food.
nice.
Okay, as you can see, wow, it's just an awesome view.
I broke
मजा ही अलग है ना ऐसे?
मजा ही अलग है.
हाँ, what happened?
I broke one of my jeans when I was eating aloo paratha.
Is it? Okay.
Must visit place.
Yeah.
Just 70 kilometers from Bangalore. Must visit place.
Yeah. और लंच हो गया और सब लोग वहाँ पे अभी सो भी गए। क्या है देखो,
करो अभी सोने का
और देखो मैं वीडियो बना रही हूँ, सब सो गए। बारिश आके चली भी गई, अच्छा मौसम है एक्चुअली बहुत।
breeze blowing.
Good evening.
हाँ, गुड इवनिंग।
Conducive atmosphere for
और यहाँ पे बाकी भी सारे लोग देखो, यहाँ पे वैसे सेम हालत है एक्चुअली सबकी। ये बारिश होने के बाद ये जो ग्रीन देख रहे हो और भी ज़्यादा अच्छा लग रहा है, इसका कलर बहुत वाइब्रेंट लग रहा है। और ये टेंपल है ऊपर। और ये चल रहा है जो टेंट है वो फोल्डिंग चल रहा है फिलहाल। तीनों देख रहे
जो बहुत ही टफ है।
कैसे करके फोल्ड होगा।
I have string.
From where you got? Someone's dress.
No, from the
No, someone's dress.
Yay.
This gate closes at 6 o'clock, so you have to ensure that you come to this place
Before 6
before
PM.
6 o'clock. And one thing we forgot, there is a 40 rupees entry fee over here that you have to pay. So from the road, this is the entry towards the lake. So ये road है जो ऊपर चले जाता है, and this is the road which we have to come for. And from here, you have to go towards the lake. So Priyanka is going. What's the name of that lake? Kya? Maidala Lake. Yeah. And see Titi. It's a beautiful lake, right, Priyanka?
Yeah, it's very beautiful.
It's awesome.
Especially I think the view from the top. It was looking out.
हाँ, ऊपर से it was just wow. I think this place you can easily come in the morning and stay till evening.
Yeah, I must say this is a very beautiful place for a day hangout.
Actually.
If you want to do like kind of picnic and all, right? It's a very beautiful place. I think after a long time actually we did this picnic kind.
Yep, yep.
Right?
Titir is enjoying his game. Oh, see the bubble. Aja. You need to take more. Ah, see, wow. Shoot is still going on. You got one, huh? So this is the entire lake view, as you can see when you come down. It's looking wow. It's a very clean and clear lake.
I'm smoking.
Looking awesome. Very nice place. You should have a visit very near to Bangalore. Titir is enjoying.
So we are done with the Maidara Lake
Yes.
and अभी हम लोग जा रहे हैं Peacock Center. क्या
That
है
is
वो?
not Peacock Center. That is actually Jain Meditation Center. So after this going down the lake, so we will have to go to that meditation center.
हाँ.
I think that will be our last point
Yes.
before we head back to Bangalore.
Yeah. चल.
I'm smoking.
Hut. And this is the road. So this is the view of the Maidara Lake from the top. It's और वो है road. काफी अच्छा लग रहा है actually. See. So here we reached the famous Peacock Temple. But actually it is closed at 6 PM. So we don't know the timings. It is closed and they are not obviously allowing us to enter.
So हम लोग आते वक्त we have come from the other road. This time while going we will take this road from the right. I think वो road हम लोग को उतना अच्छा नहीं मिला था. So we will check how this road is. This also connects to the Tumkur road. So let us see. So here we touch the Tumkur road. So this is another road which is just opposite to the road which goes to the Hirehalli industrial area. So वहाँ से भी आप right ले लोगे तो you can go. So here we have connected to the Tumkur road. So as you can see, the right side the Tumkur road is going. We have taken the left because we thought we will take the new route, the newly constructed STRR, the satellite town ring road. So we thought we will take that up till Hoskote just to check how is it, because in any case it's a leisurely trip. So we have good enough time. So from here, just at Dobbuspet, you have to take this left and take the STRR. So yes, here the STRR starts. This is the Dobbuspet junction. This is the STRR. So as you can see, Kempegowda International Airport, 66 kilometers. Tirupati, 288 kilometers.
And this is the road.
Very smooth,
Yeah, very smooth.
nice road with very less traffic because very less people take this road. Very nice one. Time is 8:11 p.m. So here we are exiting the STRR, and as we have reached Hoskote, here it is connecting to the NH75. Straightwala road is still not ready, so we have to go a little ahead and take a U-turn to reach towards Bangalore.
So here we took a break for a tea and coffee. कुछ
और चल
बोलना
रहा।
चाहोगे इसके बारे में?
इसके बारे में
Satellite.
हाँ, we took the STRR at around 7:20 from Dobbuspet. The time we touched the Hoskote, near to Hoskote, the time was 8:10, right?
Yes.
So in 50 minutes we have covered that stretch of STRR. Awesome road.
Road is
You
very
can,
good.
yes, you can bypass the entire traffic of Tumkur Road, Yashwantpur and Hebbal and all. You can try out this road. It is only the stretch of Dobbuspet to Hoskote is complete till now. Good road, very nice road.
तो अभी फिलहाल 18 किलोमीटर है ना और?
और 18 नहीं और 20 odd kilometers है.
हाँ. चलो फिर दीदी क्या पी रहा है? कुछ नहीं. हम चाय पी रहे हैं. कॉफी. ओके. For me also it's coffee. So time is 9:15 and when we reached home.
Yes.
तो पर हम लोग अपने घर नहीं गए. We are at Devashish and Rasmita's house.
Yes.
And we are going to have a barbecue party. तो हमारा पिकनिक अभी भी बाकी है actually.
That was afternoon picnic. Now
Yeah.
it is barbecue party.
Barbecue party at night.
And it's how?
और ये हमारा बारबेक्यू जो है वो स्टार्ट हो गया है.
Yes.
You can see. देख के तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
So Devashish is also a wonderful cook
Yeah.
and Rashmita both.
Both.
So this is a Devashish special
Yeah.
barbecue. Oh, sorry.
अच्छा, sorry.
This is Rashmita.
रश्मिता ने मेरिनेट किया है, राइट?
हाँ, रश्मिता स्पेशल बारे मुझे पता नहीं था, मैं क्या करूँ?
हाँ. अच्छा, देवाशीष ने ये पूरा रेडी किया सेटअप बारबेक्यू का. पूरा सेटअप रेडी किया. और तितिन ने क्या किया है? तितिन ने कुछ नहीं किया, बस तितिन. हाँ, तितिन ने हवा भी नहीं दिया. तितिन ने देखो क्या कर रहा है वो. हवा भी रश्मिता ने दिया है. चलो. तो बारबेक्यू एक मतलब फर्स्ट सेट रेडी हो गया है. बहुत अच्छा हुआ है.
Awesome.
टेस्ट है एकदम ऑसम. ये मैं दिखाती हूँ.
ये आप देखो, ये एक पीस नया आया है.
ये हम लोग ने खा लिया. इट इज ऑलमोस्ट ऑसम. बहुत अच्छा है एक्चुअली. तो वही, तो चलो फिर खाते हैं. ओके. तो अच्छा था एक्चुअली. एज आई वाज टेलिंग बिफोर ऑल्सो, लाइक फॉर अ डे ट्रिप एंड इफ यू आर प्लानिंग फॉर अ पिकनिक एंड ऑल, इट्स अ वेरी वेरी नाइस प्लेस.
Yeah, just to ensure, do everything within 6 o'clock.
Yeah.
Because after 6 o'clock, the top
It's closed.
That is
The
also
gate is
closed. The
closed.
top temple.
टेम्पल एंड द
and
पीकॉक
the-
वन
yes,
ऑल्सो.
the meditation
Meditation
hall.
hall.
The Jain meditation hall, that also gets closed at 6 o'clock. So whatever you have to see, visit and all, please plan it in the morning because
Yeah.
हम लोग थोड़ा late हो गया. Plan it in the morning and complete everything by 6 o'clock. Do not miss the lake, It's an awesome place, and there are lots of places to take photos and pictures. Very nice place.
And I'm even playing football.
हाँ, Aditya was playing
And
football
yes,
there.
if you are
I
from
took my
this
football.
Kiarpuram Whitefield side, you should try out the STRR and go there. It will take you hardly some 1.5 hours. If you are taking the Bangalore inside road, हो गया 2-2.5 घंटा.
Okay, फिर चलो फिर.
I even took my football.
अच्छा, he took this football also there. Okay. चलो फिर okay, bye. So do like our video and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye. Take care.